how to change or add your phone number to your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your phone number to your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are in your TikTok, go to your profile. And now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy, and click on the first option, which is manage account. You're gonna find phone number, and here you can tap your phone number and click on send code. They're gonna send you a code after you tap your phone number. Once you receive the code, just enter the code again, and this is how you add your phone number. So easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.